Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome to today's lesson. I am Litana Lashma with student ID number 205230021. In this video, we will learn about descriptive text. So, do you know what descriptive text is? Descriptive text is a type of text that describes a person, place, thing, or animal in detail. The main purpose of descriptive text is to give a clear picture of the object being described so that the reader can imagine it clearly. For example, if I describe my cat, I can say, my cat is a fluffy white Persian with bright blue eyes and a soft pink nose. Jadi, descriptive text adalah teks yang menggambarkan seseorang, tempat, benda, atau hewan secara rinci. Tujuannya adalah untuk memberi gambaran yang jelas tentang suatu objek sehingga pembaca dapat membayangkannya dengan jelas. Misalnya, jika saya ingin menggambarkan kucing saya dapat mengatakan, kucing saya adalah kucing Persia putih yang lembut dengan mata biru cerah dan hidung merah muda yang lembut. Descriptive text has two main structures. First, identification and second, description. Jadi, struktur descriptive text terdiri dari dua bagian, yaitu identification dan description. Yang pertama, identification. This part introduces the object being described. Jadi, pada identification berisi pengenalan objek yang akan dideskripsikan, seperti objek itu apa atau dari mana objek itu berasal. Yang kedua, description. This part explains the characteristics of the object, such as its appearance, color, size, or personality. Jadi, dalam description menjelaskan karakteristik objek seperti penampilan, warna, ukuran, atau kepribadiannya. Now, let's see an example. The Eiffel Tower is a famous landmark in Paris, France. It is about 330 meters tall and made of iron. At night, the tower is beautifully illuminated with golden lights. The Eiffel Tower is a famous landmark in Paris, France. Jadi, kalimat pertama ini itu termasuk ke dalam bagian identification. It is about 330 meters tall and made of iron. At night, the tower is beautifully illuminated with golden lights. Nah, kalimat selanjutnya ini termasuk dari bagian description. The next is language features. When writing a descriptive text, we use some specific language features. First, adjective. Second, simple present tense. And third, adverb of frequency. Jadi ketika kita menulis descriptive text, kita harus menggunakan beberapa kaidah kebahasaan, yaitu adjective, simple present tense, dan adverb of frequency. Yang pertama, adjective. Adjectives are used to describe nouns. For example, she has long, curly hair. Adjektif adalah kata sifat. Saat mendeskripsikan suatu objek, kita pasti menggunakan kata sifat seperti besar, kecil, tinggi, pendek, pintar, ramah, dan lain sebagainya. Yang kedua, simple present tense. Simple present tense is used to state facts or general truths. For example, the rose is red and smells sweet. Simple present tense biasa digunakan untuk menyatakan fakta atau kebenaran umum serta kebiasaan. Saat mendeskripsikan suatu objek, kita akan menggunakan simple present tense karena apa yang kita jabarkan dari objek tersebut adalah fakta. Dan yang terakhir, adverbs of frequency. Adverbs of frequency are useful for showing how often an activity is carried out. For example, she often helps me to do my homework and always respects the elders. Dalam descriptive text, kita bisa menjelaskan kebiasaan objek menggunakan adverbs of frequency, yaitu kata keterangan yang berguna untuk menunjukkan seberapa sering suatu kegiatan dilakukan. Now, let's read an example. The Taj Mahal is a beautiful white marble mausoleum in India. It was built by Emperor Shah Jahan in memory of his wife. The building has a large dome, intricate carvings, and a peaceful garden surrounding it. Tourists often visit the Taj Mahal to admire its beauty. People always appreciate its stunning architecture and historical significance. The monument sometimes appears even more breathtaking during sunrise and sunset. So, the analysis of the descriptive text is: first, adjectives, beautiful, yaitu menggambarkan Taj Mahal. White, menjelaskan jenis marmer yang digunakan. Large, menggambarkan ukuran kubah. Intricate, mendeskripsikan ukiran yang ada. Dan peaceful, menggambarkan taman di sekitarnya. The next is simple present tense. The Taj Mahal is a beautiful white marble mausoleum in India. Verb is adalah bentuk simple present tense. The building has a large dome, intricate carvings, and a peaceful garden surrounding it. Has adalah bentuk simple present tense. And the last one is adverb of frequency. Often menunjukkan bahwa turis sering mengunjungi Taj Mahal. Always menunjukkan bahwa orang selalu mengagumi arsitekturnya. Dan sometimes menunjukkan bahwa pada waktu tertentu, seperti saat matahari terbit atau terbenam, Taj Mahal terlihat lebih indah. Now, it's your turn to practice. Read the following descriptive text. That's all for today's lesson. You can try writing a descriptive text about your favorite flash or pet. Don't forget to use adjectives and the simple present tense. Thank you and see you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.